Lucia in West Houston has a question about her bathtub.
She's concerned about this, Tom, right here. This open space underneath her tub. I don't know why she's under there, but Lucia writes, what do you recommend I put under my bathtub where the plumbing is located to fill the hole? I've been told concrete, I've been told sand and clay. My concern is if my street is prone to flood, if I put concrete, wouldn't that flood my house if the water has nowhere to seep?
No, I'm not worried about the water and the flooding. If the flooding's coming up, you get 3 feet of water in your home. I really don't care about a hole in the ground.
The tub is the least of your troubles.
Right. There's a reason that's there. There's a special tool they make in the industry when they're pouring a slab. So you have a hole right there where you have a tub fitting because you need to get down to it. There's a lot of plumbing parts and stuff. That tool is called a milk crate that we steal from the grocery stores. And we cut a hole in the top, they shove it in there. Believe this, remember we used to put our records in those milk crates, okay? Everybody's looking for milk crates.
It was my favorite furniture in college, yeah. Hood Nursery in New Hampshire, I remember.
They put those in, they pour the concrete, then they yank it out, and you have a perfectly square hole for all your bathtub plumbing to go through, and it needs to be kept that way. If you want to neaten it up, if it's dropped so much to where you get smells coming up and stuff, just put some play sand from Home Depot or Lowe's you buy in bags, and just kind of not quite to the top, but just dress it up, clean it up in there, fix the sheetrock, and forget about it.
Forget about it.
Everybody has a milk crate hole in their slab.
It's good to know. And
Yes.
I only admit to those milk crates during college because the statute of limitations has run out on them.
It's true.
All right.
What is that, 50 years?
Maybe. Oh, no. Wait a second. Let me check my math on this.
You just had your birthday, didn't you? 50 years?
If you have a question, we'd be happy to answer it. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Down button, fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it in a video just like this that we'll post every day on our website, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. That's another way you can get in touch with us, by posting stuff up there.